Hey guys, Matt from the Weekend Handyman here. Working on the BMW today. Yesterday I was driving it and all of a sudden the thing just started shaking and stalling out. The check engine light came on, so I figured we'll try and figure out what that is today. So I'll start up and show you what's wrong with it. Got a nice rough idle there. Just sounds lovely. See the check engine light's on. So do a quick read of the code. There we go. Turn the ignition on to the on position. Read the codes. There we got two codes. I already looked this up before. P1345 is a misfire on cylinder 2. So that leads me to believe that something with the ignition system, probably a coil pack. So I'm going to erase the code, and we're going to swap the coil packs and see if a code pops up on a different cylinder. Also, there's a lean code on bank 2 of the O2 sensors. So car runs fine. I'm not really sure if that's just a fault or what that is, but I'm not even going to worry about that code right now. I've erased it once, so if anything, maybe it's a clogged fuel filter and the car's not getting enough fuel. So we'll take care of that some other time, but we'll erase the codes. Erase. Yes, I want to erase the codes. So if you don't have a code reader, you can get them pretty cheap. They're definitely worth the investment. They're very nice to have and help a lot. So to get to the coil packs on most E46 BMWs with this motor, and to pull this cover off. So I've never done that before. See, there's two covers here, so I'm assuming those two screws there. Probably pull this off. I'm not sure. So I'll get started on that and show you what I find. Alright, so I pulled both covers off. They were a 10mm socket. Very easy to get off. One in the front, one in the back on each side. And here we go. The cylinders should be numbered front to back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So theoretically, this should be the one with the bad coil, bad plug, bad whatever. So you just flip this thing up, and that's going to eject the cable. And then I'm assuming it's supposed to be so you can pull it. So it pulls right out. So there's a coil. And I'm going to go in and pull the plug too while I'm at it. I want to see what it looks like. So plug socket, 5/8. And I'll pull the plug and let you know what I find. Well, I got the plug out here. It's a bit dirty. It doesn't look too bad to me. Of course, I'm no mechanic, but I probably stand to be changed. But for purposes of what the issue is now, I don't think that the plugs are the issue, or that plug is the issue. So I'm betting it's a coil pack. So we'll put the plug back in and swap out the coil packs. See if that alleviates our issue here. Oops. That was easy. Get the plug on there, right? I like how these packs are designed. I actually think they're pretty awesome. It's really easy to put back on. Alright, so I'm gonna start up the car and see what happens. Make sure everything's out of the way. Nothing's gonna fall anywhere. Now theoretically, should still have the problem on a different cylinder. Yep, there it is. So it's still doing it. See how long it takes for a check engine light to come on. So after running the codes again, if we get a different code, it's P1343, quick check on Google, and that is misfire on cylinder 1. So we know it's bad coil pack, so we can go ahead and replace the pack. They're about $40 to $50 a piece. Now would be a good time to either replace all of them and do all the plugs as well. For the time being, I'm probably going to go ahead and replace one since it's Christmas time and cash is a little tight, and they're pretty much a cakewalk to change out. So I'll just leave the car apart, order up the piece, and I should be good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.